Magandang umaga. Ito yung pangatlong araw namin dito sa Sagada. And this is the last day here din also in Sagada. Bago kami bumalik ng Manila. Pero may mga dadaanan pa kami mga tourist spot destination here in Sagada bago kami umalis. Bago namin lisanin yung Sagada. Kaya tara. First destination in day 3 here in Sagada is Pottery. And tara, tingnan natin doon. Nakapunta naman ako dito pero si Rhea hindi pa.
Siyempre yung gagawin mo.
This is the place here in Pottery. Ito yung ginagawa ng mga banga na lupa dito sa Sagada. And papatry ko si Rhea. Experience. And dito sa loob makikita nyo yung mga yung mga ginagawa ng banga. Ayo. Good morning, Mana.
Hi, good morning. Dito yung ladies, can you take
Ladies.
occupy the seats in here first? Dito ang harap. Sige dito.
Sige po kayo dito.
Yung mga lalaki,
Dito.
dito. At least 4 in each bench. Okay, yung dito o dito.
And tuturuan sila
Here.
paano ginagawa yung clay ay yung mga banga na lupa.
Okay. Now, can you move further? We have to maximize the space because you are 23 and it's quite a little narrow here. Okay. You just have to be careful with the pots. Here. Welcome to the pottery. I am Tessie, one of the workers in here. So this pottery started in year 2000 by Archie Stapleton. Archie is a son of an American missionary who then were here in the 1960s. He saw the potential of our raw materials that when he got back to the States and became a potter, he came back in year 2000 and had this pottery built for Sagada community for alternative livelihood. Our clay comes around Sagada, but it wouldn't mean like wherever we see it, we can gather them. We have to be environmentally friendly. Secondly, it's not ours. So we try to check on the best area that we can have some. For example, the road widening, usually in the middle of that mountain that is bulldozed, there can be good clay. So we have to haul them to here. We have to soak them for some time because after that we needed them sieved. We have to sieve them 2 times until we reach the consistency of fineness that is like this. In pottery, there are 3 kinds. We have this earthenware. These are the low-fired pottery that you can cook with, you can plant with, and it can be for water storage. Now, in our case, we are doing stoneware. They are high-fired pottery. You cannot cook with it. Rather, they are microwavable and food grade. Just like the porcelain, they are perfect for food containers. There. Okay. So first thing that I would do, I would have to center the clay with the speed of the wheel and with the pressure from both of my hands. This is centering. It is very important to center it so that we will come out with a good result. Whereas when it is not centered, we cannot shape it the way we want it. So first and foremost, we have to center it. Among the group, sinong nanood ng Glorious? It was filmed in here.
Dito pala yun.
In here, exactly here.
Okay.
Okay, once centered, the very first shape that we are going to do is a cylinder. And it is always a cylinder that comes first before we will shape it to another shape. So to do the cylinder, I would have to put a hole at the very center, and then from here we are going to pull that clay up. So how are we going to do this? We kind of compress here at the bottom, and then slowly we slide our fingers up to the top. we have to do it again to make it higher for a cylinder. Compress at the bottom, and then we slide our fingers up, 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 up until the very, very top. This now is our cylinder. Out of this cylinder, we are going to shape it to another shape. In shaping, the pressure would have to come first from my inside hand. So I would have to push the clay outwards, and while I am pushing, I am going up, up, up. Now here at the middle, it's going to be the outside hand that pushes the clay inwards, and with the support of the inside hand, we are slowly going up, up, and before the very, very top, we will push it outwards and it becomes what you see. In pottery, it's about feeling. Always feel how thick or how thin, so you would know when to stop. So in here, for example, I think I was already pushing outwards in here to the max. Now we can have it pushed somewhere at the upper part of it to balance it. Okay, here at the middle or the neck, we can push it further in from my outside hand with the support of the inside hand, and thus we go up, thus the distinctive neck. That's how far the clay can go. It is a vase, but we can transform it into a water jug by simply having a spout like that. So from here, I would have to air dry it for 5 days. 5 days later, it becomes leather dried. I would have to come back. I will trim it at the very bottom, take all out the excess clay, and then I will attach the handle. We will air dry it again for another month before we cook them, and we cook our pots 2 times to a certain temperature. And that's pottery bowl. Thank you.
At yun nga, tapos na yung pottery lecture ni ma'am. And palabas na kami. Ma'am Tess, thank you.
Thank you din po. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yan nga, tapos na kami. And palabas na. Tara. And bakit ayaw subukan? Natakot kayo sa sinabi ni Warren na papagalitan kayo.
Ay, picture lahat. 1, 2, 3. One more.
Galit ka ba?
1, 2, 3.
Mara masaya.
Tingin po. Ganyan lang, yan.
Meguriguru kisetsu no naka de mitsuketa ko
Lalandi nyo? Tama na.
ga ai ni
Kaso
kawaii.
and yun nga, done na photops here in pottery. And hintayin ng van para makababa for sa susunod na spot natin dito sa Sagada. Ito yung Sagada Weaving is the next destination here. Ang sakit ng mga binti ko . Second destination for day 3 here in Sagada Weaving. Titingnan natin paano tayo magtakipukang nga.
I'm scrolling through my timeline.
Paano nagtatahi yung mga taga Sagada. 1525. And look here sa patahian din Sagada. ano, yung nagtatahi is matindi yung concentration niya doon. Kunti baka kunting distraction lang pwede siyang magkamali mali yung tinatahi niya. Try din natin yung yogurt dito sa Sagada.
Hawakan niyo. Asan? Amerikano. Pagkatapos, ayun.
Kuya's preparing.
Picture ko kayo.
Yogurt coffee, pahintay na lang ko lang isa.
Ayan, yun. Tapos na namin tikman yung yogurt siya. But siya is
Girls are beautiful.
punta tayo ng souvenir shop ng Sagada, baby. Tingin-tingin tayo doon kung ano yung meron doon. Ito yung last destination natin, last na dadaanan natin bago umuwi. Inverted house. Ito guys, ito yung mga sticker na pupunta ng Sagada. Yun, pasok tayo sa loob. This is the view. This is the view here.
Meka, tante di ba ba?
Souvenir. Ito. Ito ba mo? Yung mama mo? Ito mas takot ako. $50 to $60 to. Ayan, chinelas. Oh. Naka-elevate naman.
Elevate.
Ito. Ito. Yun yung loob na inverted house. Sagada. Picture siya. Kasi dyan muna tayo. Tapusin na muna. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, smile. And well done. The last destination here in Sagada. And pauwi na tayo. Pitawid ka na, wait. Sinakyan. Uwi na tayo.
Tayo guys na. Kaya mangis, wala po kami.